funny.
Cops have caught us.
We were just walking around in Ghatkopar. We were just going on walking and the cops came and they are telling क्या कर रहा है, what is this? So we said we were just walking. But the thing was like they thought it's a lonely lane, so it's something, they might be doing something bad. We spent a very precious time when we had gone for a IV trip. We had gone in a train. So in night time what happened, I came from another compartment in her coach, and then the side upper where we were sitting full night and talking. So and no one came to know about that. It's been 8 years that we are together. So we met basically in a degree college, and we started chatting via Facebook.
तेरी मेरी ऐसी जुड़ गई कहानी कि जुड़ जाता जैसे दो नदियों का पानी, मुझे आगे तेरे साथ बहना है।
I would have.
Friend request Kenali had sent, but then we went on chatting for maybe.
But then chat he started.
Yeah, I started with the chat.
तुम कुछ अधूरे से हम भी कुछ आधे, आधा आधा हम जो दोनों मिला दे तो बन जाएगी अपनी एक जिंदगानी। ये दुनिया मिले ना मिले हमको, खुशियाँ भगा देंगी हर गम को। तुम साथ हो फिर क्या बाकी हो, मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो। मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो, मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो। मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो।
I liked the way he was very kind to me. He used to sit and chat with me for hours. His priority was me, mainly. I remember the first time when I saw him entering in class, and I said, my friend, look, that guy, he's so handsome. So I had not thought that day that someday he will be my husband.
Basically what I like about her is that she understands me very well, and her looks I like. I got attracted to her looks. There were like 10 to 15 times when we had a very big fight, and we decided not to continue, but still we had that serious relationship, so it made us continue for long, and finally, even after fighting for so many times, we used to never feel that we should separate.
किससे हमारे नजदीकियों के कम तो नहीं है, कम तो नहीं है। कितनी दफा सुबह को मेरी तेरे आंगन में बैठे मैंने शाम किया। चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या, चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या, चन्ना मेरे या मेरे या बेलिया।
I remember his first gesture towards me when I felt that he is liking me, that first gesture. So he was trying to hold my hand. So first he tried, second time he tried, but he was feeling a bit conscious, maybe, you know, what she'll react. Then later on I only holded his hand and said, "Are you trying to hold my hand?"
चन्ना मेरे आ चन्ना मेरे आ चन्ना मेरे आ बेलिया ओ पिया चन्ना मेरे आ चन्ना मेरे आ चन्ना मेरे आ बेलिया ओ पिया दिखे मुझे तू सिरहाने मेरे सोच के तेरी बातें हम मुस्कुराने लगे हाय 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 क्यों दिखे मुझे तू सिरहाने मेरे सोच के तेरी बातें हम मुस्कुराने लगे दिल से निकल के आहें लफ्जों पे आने लगे कैसी तेरी खुमारी है हम गुनगुनाने लगे चन्ना वे कुछ तो है तेरे मेरे दरमियां क्यों लगे चन्ना वे कुछ तो है तेरे मेरे दरमियां क्यों लगे चन्ना वे